pick up some car parts. Yeah! This filled, it's actually way more than I thought. It hurts just to pay that much to bring something across from the US. From Tire Rack, unboxing day! Morning everybody. Today we're heading off to pick up some car parts. Yeah! Okay, driving up to the border. I don't expect any long lines today. It's a Friday morning. And it's been kind of bad weather lately, so I don't expect anyone's really doing any traveling. Going down to the US for a weekend or whatnot in mid-January is probably not a very common thing. Plus usually weekdays to cross aren't too bad. So I'm going to pick up parts, definitely go on weekdays. It's a lot easier to get in. Does it look like it's plowed? Okay, we're here, so I will see you guys after I get through and catch you up at the pickup location. We are across, now heading over to Edge Logistics, which is our pickup point where I get all of my stuff delivered to. They charge $5 a delivery, $5 a package, and will store for quite some time before they start charging you extra. So it's a good little spot, it's a warehouse. I've gone to other places that have charged less, but some of those places have closed. So now we're back to Edge. I think I need some McDonald's down here first. A little coffee. McDonald's in Blaine certainly isn't plowed though, I will tell you that. Okay, just pulling up here to Edge Logistics, which is my Connect delivery point. Pretty slippery, actually, here on the road. Combination of the snow, the water, like you can't move quickly, that's for sure. So, it'd be tough to come here without four-wheel drive. Pull into parking. I am a bit early, I'm a couple hours early, so I'll just hang tight. Okay, let's go grab our parts. Cash when I'm picking up parts. It's $5 per package. I might need more cash. Okay, parts picked up. We have a couple boxes in the back seat, and the whole box is filled. It's actually way more than I thought, but it's exciting. All right, stay tuned. So now that we're crossing the border back into Canada, we have to have all our receipts ready to say how much we've spent. Because I've only been across for, 45 minutes, I'm not going to have any exemptions to not have to pay taxes. So I'll just pay taxes according to, I think it's 12% on the value of the goods. Okay, the way back across the border. So we get to do that next. Staying in the passenger lanes, not Nexus, which is these two center lanes.
The border crossing went as expected. They asked me the reason for my trip, and I said I was going to pick up some car parts. Then I told her the value of those car parts, and she wrote me up a slip to get processed in at the cashier.
Going to pay you some dues. Okay, I just finished up inside, and the total came to $771.96 total. That's for taxes or duties paid on purchases in the US, importing across. Yeah, that's definitely a bit of a sting. It hurts just to pay that much to bring something across from the US. However, when we looked at shipping it across, it was going to be like $750 just alone in shipping. And then when you do that, when you ship it across the border, they charge you extra for handling. There's an agency or a broker that has to handle it at the border, and an extra duty charge. So it's way more money. Way more money if you get it shipped to Canada directly. Okay, I picked up all of the packages today from Tire Rack, or from the pickup point, but all the stuff from Tire Rack is in. Excited to open it this weekend with Justin. On Sunday is when we're gonna be unboxing everything and starting to put the car together. Only thing is that we had some lovely snow this week. On Tuesday we had a dump of snow, which has been a lot of fun, but it may be hard for the FRS to get in here. Hoping that enough of this washes away by the time we get to Sunday. We'll see. See you then. Unboxing day! Alright, we're gonna open these guys up and see what we got. Super excited. Justin's cameraman today, so you guys can see a little bit of him. Alright, so we got the wheels first. Let's get these bad boys cracked. I don't want to do damage to the rim here, so be a little bit careful. Also damage to the tire would not be great. The suspense. Again, we got these mounted and balanced from Tire Rack right away, which is nice. We have to save a little money. They send them, ship them to you balanced. Ooh, passenger side. So they must be based on tread position. All right. What do you think of that, Justin?
That's pretty good.
It's pretty good. So these are the Koenig decagrams. All right. Very cool. Very cool. And like I said, maybe we still wrapped it. We'll see. Okay, next thing. I don't know what these are, so we're just gonna kind of give her and see what we get. I think it's the sway bar end links though, based on the rattle and weight. It's like Christmas, right? Sway bar end links. Look at those things. We got some nice color. Some orange. We'll have to open the package later so you can see them all. Great. Quite a big box for that. Works. All right, next one. I believe these are the brake pads. I'll try and keep this invoice intact if I can. All right, Ferrado Racing brake pads. Apparently, again, for my other video, these are the pads that everybody's using in SSC. The comment was made to me by a local that he doesn't think anyone has won nationals on anything but these pads, so we made sure to get them. Okay, next, based on weight, what are we thinking here? Not brake rotors, it's not heavy enough. Probably something to do with the suspension. Oh, we got one of the shocks. A little bit of damage on the box. That's not great. But they did put it in another box. So
they damaged this box and then put it in another one, just in case.
It's a way of making it look better. A lot of boxing. It's probably a single thread. We'll see. All right, there we go. One of the Koni shocks. Here. Beautifully painted yellow. Looks delicious. Cylinder looks decent. These are actually quite a thick rod on this thing. Impressive. Anyway, that's one of the fronts. Probably one more.
I'm guessing those are springs.
Pardon me?
I'm guessing those are springs. Although if you know the weight, maybe they're not socks.
2 shocks. So this is definitely for the rear. It's not the McPherson strut style. So that's how you know if there's a pin connection here. And yeah, we got some additional parts. These go on top. Are adjustable. I actually didn't know that when we had an adjustment knob here. Very cool. Okay, the last shock, and then we have the sway bar bracket bushings, rear bushings. So the bracket just goes around and holds the sway bar underneath the car. We have the other end links. These are likely for the front. Adjustable sway bar end links. This is really nice. White line, little color. And then here, SSC. This must be the control arms, the adjustable control arms front. So looks like we got some slots in the end and pin connection up front. I do believe these are for the front, so it must allow you to get some adjustments for camber and whatnot. The other control arms of the kit. That's great, and we got what looks like cam bolts. Cam XR. Okay, great. We got 2 to go. This one's definitely rotors. It's got weight. These weren't necessary for the SSC kit, but figured we should freshen up the brakes anyway. Yeah, so we just got some centric rotors. 2 to the front, 2 to the back. Okay, last box. What am I forgetting? Oh, this is for springs. Gonna strip some layers there. This has been a lot of work, so getting hot. All right, open up the next box. These we think are the sway bars. Yes, they are. Okay, we got rear sway bar. It's a little bit smaller diameter rod, so I can imagine it's for the rear. And we have the front sway bar, more significant. I think that's it. And of course, we have bushing. Oh, look at bushing. So I may not be needed to buy those extra bushings. Last box. Spring. Last box. I think those are the rears and fronts. So one set of these springs are progressive. Basically, progressive string, as it compresses more and more, gets stiffer and stiffer. Essentially to when Yeah, when the upper portion compresses, then the bottom portion. Yeah. And so it's dynamic. It's not stiff. It looks like that's only for either the front or the back. Or even I guess this is a little bit compressive. Those two links are very close. Those are further apart, so it must compress and then dynamically change. Of course, we got bump stops. That's it.